Jeng jeng jeng! Hi guys! Today we are going to Trapo Hub at Bangsa KL to install the Trapo iSight Dashcam T550. Let's go!
So we're gonna unbox it. Brand new box. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, the packaging is really good, like an iPhone style. Very tight. Ding ding ding! Wow, this is how the packaging looks like. The camera is at the top here. So it's covered with plastic and a sponge. And here's how it looks like. Ding, ding, ding. So this is the front side of the dash cam where you're gonna stick it at the front of your windscreen. And this is how it looks like at the back. On the side here, there's a USB port and also the SD card slot, Wi-Fi button, and there's a round thing here and it writes rear. So it connects to a rear camera. So let's find out if we have that rear camera at the back. Underneath here we have more items, sticky stuff. This is the rear camera, the wiring, and I think this is a hook. Also comes with the USB plug. So this is the rear camera. It has really long wires, so it's going to be connect to the back of the rear windscreen. And this is how it looks like. Oh, it's a very small camera. And the double-sided tape is over here. So it's using the AUX type of cable. So it will be connected to the front camera over here. So I'm not sure how to install it. So that's why I came here for the professionals who will be installing it. So check out the video.
So according to the website in my.trapo.asia, you can purchase different type of options. If you want dashcam only, or you want with hardwire kit, or with installation front and rear, or with installation front, rear and hardwire kit. And it also comes with different SD card selections. So you have to go into the website to purchase which one is suitable for you. So for my selection is the dashcam with installation front and rear. So this dashcam features a 4K resolution front camera and a Full HD rear camera. It's powered by a super capacitor. The T550 ensures reliable performance even in extreme temperatures. It can go from negative 40 degrees until 85 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so we have completed our installation here at the Trapo Hub, and it was very quick and easy. The footages will be saved into the SD card over here, and all the footages will be downloadable into your Trapo app through your smartphone. Now let's go out and get some footages to test out how good the resolution is. Let's go!
So it comes with the WDR technology, which is the Wide Dynamic Range technology. It balances the exposure levels for crystal clear images in various lighting conditions. So as you can see from the video footages, the car plate numbers are very clear and easy to see. And this is a footage from the rear camera. Also, it has a built-in GPS, so you can see on the bottom left corner the GPS location and also the speed that you're going in. So besides Trapo selling dashcams, they have other items as well. Do check out Trapo Hubs near you to feel and test these quality items.
Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye! Jeng jeng jeng! Jeng jeng!